Yes, the mobile is hidden inside the hidden pocket. I know, right? The thumbnail looks like some suspense story or some detective kind of story, but trust me, it is way more interesting than that. The hidden pocket is all about that pocket which you can have access to when you have no pockets on your clothes. What do I mean to say is, usually when we wear formal pants to office, or even when kids have uniforms without pockets, we find it difficult. Say suppose we just want to go for a walk around and we have to hold few papers in our hand, or if it's school we need to hold books in our hands, and say suppose we need to keep our mobile when we are in office. So holding the mobile along with the different files and papers, what could happen is eventually everything could fall down. And in school, for girls especially, when they have to change their sanitary pads, it gets difficult for them to hold it in their hand or take it separately. So this hidden pocket is going to solve all this problem of carrying your sanitary pads or of carrying your mobile without having a pocket on your pant. I'm going to show you an easy way of how you can have this hidden pocket. So this is the trouser without the pocket, and I will be stitching the pocket on the right side, inner side of the pant. And this is a sock which is long. If you all do not want a long one, you all can take a short one like this ankle type of sock. And on the right side, depending on where exactly you all require the pocket to be positioned, you all will see. For me, I will note where is the side line of this trouser of this pant, and then accordingly I will fix this pocket in that way on the inner side of the pant. So what I'll do is I will put the needle from the inside towards the outside in this way, and then from the side of that place where I removed it a little sideways, I'll push the needle in upwards out and take the thread under the needle and pull it out like this. Again I will show you all, and then put it upwards out from the front of the trouser, and the thread goes under the needle and the needle comes out of the loop in this way. Again you'll keep repeating the same process, and this is what you should get as a stitch. I will show you this on fast forward mode. If you all require to understand the stitch, you all can put it on a slow mode and watch it on YouTube. And once we have these kind of chain stitches that I have just done, you all will see if that's more than enough. If not, you all will continue. I will show you again slowly. Push the needle side of that thread down and pull it outwards and take the thread underneath the needle and you form a loop. Now the same thing, you push the needle out and the thread under the needle, and I will not end this stitch by pulling the thread. What I will do is I will remove this needle with the thread out of the loop in this way, and then I will have a separate needle with the thread and the loop separately, as you can see. Now this is the suspense to my invisible stitch. You just keep on pulling. No, it's not knotted, this is loosened up. You can loosen the loops pre-handed, it will come off easily. I'll show you with the needle how it is. There, the loop is separated, and you can keep on pulling this needle with the thread likewise. I will just loosen it up in this way, and this is how it will look.
Oh, that vanished, Mama.
I just could not ignore that comment while my daughter was watching this whole thing. So well, this is your invisible stitch, and this is the end of the sock. In case you feel you need to go back and form another stitch, you'll have to continue the stitch same way. I'll show you one of them. I just put it side of that stitch, take it up the needle and take the thread under the needle, pull the needle out to form that same loop there. And now in case if I do not want the loop, I separate the needle and the loop and just pull it out like this. Since I want to end the stitch, I will just put the needle through to the inner side and then form a knot with this needle and thread. quite simple. The normal knot that you all tie with your needle and thread, you all can continue in that way, and just remove the extra thread that is there. Now once you're done with this secret pocket or the hidden pocket, you all can use it for different things. I'll show you on the hanger. This is how it will look on the inner side of your pant near the waistline, and this is how much the sock stretches. I will pass my mobile through this sock, and as you can see, it goes in easily. Yes, the mobile is hidden inside the hidden pocket there, and that's how useful it is. What do you think about the hack? Definite enough. It is useful and y'all must give it a try, especially for those of y'all who feel the need of this extra hidden pocket, or who have trousers without pockets. Do give it a try and then let me know in the comments section if this was a good hack or not. For those of y'all who are new visitors to my channel, as always, I sincerely request y'all to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get updates on all my upcoming videos. If y'all have any requests or suggestions, please feel free to send us an email, or y'all can even leave us a comment. That's all on How Hacks. Hope y'all have liked today's episode, and I'll see you next time with another new hack.